What if I told you Harvard researchers just proved something wild? Students using AI, tutors learn twice as much in half the time compared to traditional studying? 2x learning. 50% less time. Sounds like hype, right? Until you see what happened at Ivy Tech Community College. They tracked 3,000 students who were literally on the verge of failing. After AI stepped in, 98% passed. Not barely, they earned C's or better. That's not science fiction. That's 2025. And it's happening to students just like you. So here's my question. If AI can do that for struggling students, what could it do for you? If you're in your 20s, grinding through college or grad school, feeling like you're putting in more hours but falling further behind, this video might flip that story completely. Because I'm about to show you the exact AI learning system that's helping ordinary students cut study time in half and double their grades without expensive tutors or fancy subscriptions. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan you can start tonight. And once you see how fast your brain adapts, you'll never study the old way again. Section 1. Why you're stuck. Let's be honest, if you've ever studied for hours and still bombed the test, it's not because you're lazy or dumb. It's because the entire study system you were taught is outdated. Here's the trap most students are stuck in. You are doing AI's job manually. You spend hours making flashcards, summarizing notes, building study guides. Guess what? That's 10 to 15 hours every week just preparing to study, work that AI can now do in 60 seconds. Imagine reclaiming that time for actual learning instead of admin work. You are getting feedback way too late. You turn in an assignment, wait a week, then finally see what you did wrong. By that point, your brain's already moved on. Research shows delayed feedback kills learning by up to 70%. That's like trying to fix a leak in a house you've already moved out of. You're reviewing the wrong things at the wrong time. Most students reread everything hoping something sticks. But cognitive science says that's the least effective way to learn. You need active recall, spaced repetition, and personalized practice, none of which happen with the old read and hope method. Here's the brutal math: 60 to 70% of your study time is being wasted on low-impact methods. That's why you can grind for 4 hours and still remember less than someone who studies 90 minutes the right way. But here's the twist: with AI, that efficiency gap flips overnight. Phase 1, the AI system that changes everything. Section 2, the 3-phase AI system. So, how are some students learning 10x faster while the rest keep drowning in notes? It's not luck. It's a system. A 3-phase AI study method that turns average learners into top performers in weeks. Let me break it down. Phase 1, intelligent content processing. First, you let AI do what it does best: compress, organize, and personalize information in seconds. One pre-med student I coached was burning 4 to 5 hours a day rereading slides and still barely pulling B's. Then she started uploading her lectures to NotebookLM and ChatGPT. In under 2 minutes, she had summaries, mind maps, and even audio explainers she could listen to on the bus. That single switch turned her commute into a classroom and her burnout into momentum. Whether you're a visual learner who needs diagrams or an audio learner who prefers podcasts, AI now translates your material into your preferred learning format. Result? Up to 60% less prep time and way deeper understanding. Phase 2, accelerated active learning. Here's where the real acceleration happens, turning passive reading into active mastery. Cognitive science is clear: testing yourself is the most powerful way to learn. The problem? Creating good questions takes forever. Until now. With tools like Quizlet AI, Tutor AI, or ChatGPT, you can instantly generate personalized practice tests from your lecture notes, not random online junk. In one study, students using AI tutors improved 3 times faster because the AI spotted exactly where they were weak and corrected it instantly. Think of it like a GPS for your brain. Every wrong turn triggers real-time feedback that reroutes you back on track. Then comes the Feynman upgrade: explain a topic to AI as if you're teaching it. Ask it to find the gaps in your logic. When you fix those, your understanding doesn't just improve, it locks in. One student told me, "I thought I knew cellular respiration until ChatGPT asked me 3 questions that exposed my blind spots." She fixed them and crushed the exam. Finally, the system automates spaced repetition, the science of reviewing just before you forget. You're no longer guessing what to study. The AI tells you exactly when to review each concept for maximum memory retention. Result: you get feedback 10x faster and cover more in 3 hours than most do in 8. Phase 3, applied learning and deep integration. Now, here's the level that separates memorization from mastery. You can know every definition and still fail, because real success means applying knowledge. AI makes that easier than ever. Just ask, create a real-world scenario where I have to combine 3 biology concepts to solve a clinical case. In seconds, AI gives you a challenge that feels like the actual exam or your future job. You can even switch it to Socratic mode, where it teaches by questioning you instead of giving answers. It's like having a personal tutor who never sleeps. And the results? Mind-blowing. In Nigeria's Edo state, students using AI tutoring for just 6 weeks achieved learning gains equal to 2 years of traditional education. Why? Because they weren't just memorizing, they were thinking, applying, integrating. By the end of this phase, exams stop feeling like surprises, because you've already simulated them dozens of times. So that's the blueprint. Phase 1, process faster. Phase 2, practice smarter. Phase 3, apply deeper. The same time you used to waste on rereading can now build long-term, exam-ready knowledge. And the best part? You can start tonight, with tools you already have. Section 3, the essential toolkit. Alright, let's make this real. You've seen the system. Now here are the exact tools students are using to cut study time in half and boost their grades fast. The best part? Most are completely free. Your AI learning arsenal, ChatGPT or Gemini Pro, free or premium, this is your brain amplifier. But the secret isn't asking questions, it's how you ask. Don't say, explain photosynthesis. Say, I'm a sophomore in Bio 201 struggling with the light reactions. Explain it using an analogy, a visual description, and a step-by-step breakdown, then give me 5 practice questions with answers. The difference? One prompt gives information. The other builds understanding. NotebookLM, free. Think of this as your personal professor on demand. Upload your lecture slides or readings, and it creates audio summaries and concept maps instantly. Now you can review entire chapters while walking, commuting, or even making breakfast. Grammarly, free, premium, not just for grammar. It's your real-time writing coach, teaching clarity, tone, and precision. 80% of students using Grammarly report stronger writing in all subjects, because it gives instant, teachable feedback. Quizlet AI, free, premium. Remember phase 2? This is your shortcut. Upload your material, and in seconds, it builds flashcards, quizzes, and spaced repetition schedules based on your performance. Students save 2 to 3 hours weekly and retain way more. Perplexity AI, free, premium, the research powerhouse. Unlike Google, it gives cited sources with every answer. Perfect for essays, lab reports, or thesis work. What once took you hours in a library, now takes minutes, verified and reliable. The 4-week implementation plan. Week 1, install ChatGPT plus Grammarly. Spend 30 minutes daily clarifying confusing concepts. Week 2, add NotebookLM. Upload a week of lectures, create audio summaries. Week 3, use Quizlet AI for 20 practice questions. Test yourself, no AI help. Week 4, ask ChatGPT to build a realistic weekly study schedule based on your life. Follow this roadmap, and within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll feel the shift. Within 6 to 8 weeks, your results will speak for themselves. Transition. But before you dive in, there's one last piece that makes or breaks this system. The critical success factors that separate 10x learners from the ones who burn out or plateau. Section 4. The hidden rules of AI mastery. Before you jump in and start testing every AI tool out there, here's the truth most people miss. AI won't automatically make you smarter. It only amplifies what you already do. Use it right, and it's rocket fuel. Use it wrong, and it quietly kills your learning. Rule number 1, strategy beats randomness. The students who 10x their results don't dabble with AI when they're stuck. They integrate it into their daily routine. Random use gives random outcomes. Systematic use compounds results. So treat AI like a gym plan, not a cheat code. Rule number 2, keep the cognitive effort. Here's the twist Harvard didn't expect. Students using AI often score higher on immediate tests, but worse a week later if they let the AI do all the thinking. Real learning happens when your brain does the heavy lifting. So let AI handle the busy work, summarizing, organizing, generating practice, but you do the problem solving. Use the 80-20 rule. Let AI take care of 20%, the setup, and invest your focus on the 80% that actually rewires your brain. That's how you build knowledge that sticks. Rule number 3, verify everything. Remember, AI sounds confident even when it's wrong. Always cross-check what it tells you against your notes or reliable sources. AI should accelerate your understanding, not replace it. Think of it like using GPS. You still need to keep your eyes on the road. Rule number 4, use it ethically, always. Use AI to learn, not to cheat. Let it explain, simplify, and challenge you. But your words, your ideas, your tests must still be yours. Every school's AI policy is different. Know the rules, follow them. Integrity will outlast any shortcut. When you combine these 4 rules with the system you just learned, you don't just study faster. You start learning on a level that most people never reach. Section 5, the 10x transformation. So here's the takeaway. The research isn't a rumor. Students using AI tutoring are learning twice as much in half the time. Test scores? Up by 54%. Study time? Cut by nearly 50%. But remember, the magic isn't in the tools. It's in how you use them. Strategy, effort, integrity. That's the real formula. Because transformation doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter, exponentially smarter. If you commit to this 60 or 8-week system and use AI to remove friction, not thought, you'll stop cramming facts and start building mastery. The tools are here. The methods are proven. The opportunity is real. The only question left is, when will you start your 10x transformation? If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest studying struggle right now? Let's find the AI that fixes it together.